how to hide desktop items without deleting them on a Windows computer. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide files, folders, or shortcuts from your desktop step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. First, go to your Windows desktop. Now, right-click on the file, folder, or shortcut that you want to hide. From the menu, select Properties. Make sure you're in the General tab. Now, look for the Attributes section near the bottom. Check the box next to Hidden. Click Apply, and then click OK. Now, the item will be marked as hidden, but it may still be visible on your desktop. Open File Explorer on your computer. Now, click on the View button at the top, then choose Show. Uncheck the option called Hidden Items. Now, return to your desktop. The hidden item should no longer be visible. If you want to hide all icons at once, right-click on any empty space on the desktop and select View. From the menu, uncheck the Show Desktop Icons. This will hide all the icons on your desktop. And that's it. That's how you can hide desktop items without deleting them on a Windows computer easily.